a few weeks ago, where they told us we're going to be demoing a bus, which sounded really interesting. And they started telling us a little bit about it and how it's going to be a classroom on wheels.
And I was asking my teacher what that was all about. And she came over to me and said, "Hey, I need your help. We're taking out all the seats on this bus. This is what we're going to be doing today in class." I was like, "Sounds great." And so she had one of the previous day's students walk through it with me of cutting the bolts out and removing them. And that was how it started, and from there we went off.
I heard a whole bunch of noise, so I was curious. I was like, what's going on out there? And they were just taking out the seats and making sure that they were doing the job. And this guy over here, he showed me how to do it. He told me to take off the bolt safely and not to get hit with sparks. So this guy showed me what to do, and I just did it.
So we're like more hands-on in it with tools. So I think that's pretty cool about it. And it's kind of hard because we had to like locate where the bolts were without damaging any other components of the bus.
This is a very unique project. I don't think I would have had the opportunity to work with the auto tech students at all.
Yeah, it really helps with the real world because people with different skills really help complete a lot of important projects in this world.
The tables will be cut in half right here. So then not only does the teacher have enough space to move to one side to the other, but the students can also have enough space to go to one side to either talk to the teacher or be in groups to work together.
From a more technical standpoint, we had to figure out exactly how we wanted to fit everything in while still allowing space and mobility throughout the bus like a normal classroom. And we used like a CAD program to figure out some of that.
We already know how much space we have and what are the limitations that we can make into to the bus without pushing it too far so it doesn't have the wrong measurements and have the wrong things inside.
We wanted to finalize a floor plan before we decided on a dedicated electrical system because there's more than just a couple of wires to think about. You have to think of how are we going to power it so that it's not running on gas and it's not super loud. So we've had a couple of options to think about there too.
We also collaborated with Fairfax representatives on this project with their feedback and the needs that they believe that the children need. Nothing compared to right now that we're doing with the mobile academic bus. It does not compare to this, which is exciting.
It's a great opportunity because it's unique. It's not this copy and paste project that the teacher says, "Oh, here's something you guys can do." It's large scale and it has the opportunity to be more than just a classroom project.
It feels nice to hear there's gonna be more involvement with the community and schooling at the same time. I feel like that's an important thing.
I wasn't expecting to be something like this, but I'm really glad I was able to be a part of it, and I'll be happy whenever I see it.
Right, absolutely. I thought it was just something we're doing, to help the engineering class, but now since I found out that we're actually helping the community, it's great. It's great to know that.
This is a truly community-driven initiative created for the student, by the student, within FCPS, highlighting the importance of the academies. This is a real-world, hands-on learning. What an opportunity for our children. They gain practical, hands-on experience in their respective fields.
At FCPS, we care about the unique needs of every student. It's part of the foundation of the Family Academy. The idea came up from our goal to bring learning and support directly to our students and families. That will break barriers and bring the community together. In order for us to truly engage, we have to also listen what families are looking for. More academic support, more connections, and more opportunity for engagement. We have to create those spaces, bring the opportunities where families are. So we have to show up, reach out, and build that community. That's how we can grow all together.